guys, so bit of a funny one today. My missus has gone away, so I'm left in charge of the kids, poor kids. Hopefully I don't injure them any more than they already are. It's always a bit of a risk. Anyway, so I've it's a proper weird time this. Every flipping bike that I get to, there's a problem. Now, to be fair, this bike I did know there was a problem, but I wasn't expecting the problem to be quite as much of a problem as it actually is. So the bike is a 1983 Honda CR60, and I knew that it needed a new piston. So when I bought it, there was a picture of two pistons. One was absolutely fried, and one was quite scorched, so like it had been running lean. And I was expecting the pistons to be here, but they're not with the bike. I've been through all the boxes of stuff that came over, because I get some parts across with some of the bikes and this, that and the other. And I've got boxes and boxes of parts which I've flipping no idea what they are. So I need to do a bit of work on that to work that out. Anyway, I've no piston, so I thought, oh, flipping heck, that's right pain that. Don't even know, if I can get the old piston, I can try it in the barrel, I can work out what the clearance is, I can have a look at the barrel, see whether it's going to need reboring or whatever, and work out from there whether I need to go up a piston size, what the original piston size was, and all of that. But I haven't got that, so I've measured. It's only with a vernier gauge, unfortunately. The barrel size is just over 42mm. Now, I haven't even checked to see what piston sizes were for the bike, because I know that they're a flipping nightmare to find, and I know a lot of people using KX60 pistons, modified KX60 pistons, which I'll be happy to do. But I thought all I was going to need to do was get a top end gasket set, get a KX60 piston, get the barrel rebored, and then happy days. But the inlet manifold is also, someone's obviously tried to use an incorrect inlet manifold on it, which could be where some of the issues have come. Maybe it's drawn in a whole load of air because the inlet manifold wasn't sealing correctly, and then it's run massively lean, and then fried itself. The head looks all right. Yeah, so I need an inlet manifold. I can get one of them. They've got them in America. I can find them there, no problem. But then I just thought, oh, just check. It goes through the gears fine, but look at that. Look at that. That is horrendous. So at minimum, it's going to need a rod kit. So the piston's a hard thing to find. Don't even know about the rod kit. So I'm going to have to put this one. And then I've just spoken to Glyn at VMX Gaskets. He's a good bloke, and just said, have you got gaskets for this CR60? And he's like, no, you need to try Motorsport Services. So I've just spoken to them, and they're like, we haven't got gaskets for that bike. Don't even think we can get a rod. We can't get the same rod. We can get you a similar rod, but there might be a little bit of machining work to do. So I've got a bit of homework to do with this bike before I can set about rebuilding it. So that's a bit of a disappointment. And I always think, doing my homework on these things, I know it's worthwhile doing, but it takes me off actually doing the hands-on work, which is what I always think is the bit that makes me the money, and it's the bit that I enjoy doing. Anyway, so I'm going to have to go and have a sit down and work out what gaskets are available. So it's work on the computer really, which is, if you know me, I used to have a computer company, an IT company, and flipping hated working on it. Well, I enjoyed it for a while, but come to the end, I flipping hated it, and I just love doing the hands-on stuff. So sitting down and working all the stuff out on the computer is going to drive me mad. But there we go. That's what I'm going to have to do. So that's going to be me for a little bit. We'll work out all of the flipping part numbers and this, that and the other, and sizes, bearing sizes, rod sizes, seal sizes, and see where we can get to. And then hopefully I can get hold of the stuff relatively quickly and I can get the thing rebuilt. Because it is actually a nice bike. So someone's painted the frame the wrong colour. It's the wrong colour for the bike, but it does look quite nice, I think. And the rest of it's in lovely condition. The rear shock's working, the front forks are good, the rims are good, the pipe's good, and it's generally a nice looking bike. Just a proper shame that they messed up the piston. I mean, it might be that the big end had gone and they just put a new fresh piston in and flipping ran it, and that also caused a problem, because that's not going to have done the cylinder of the piston any good, is it? Flipping smashing itself into the sides. Anyway, that's my job. Wish me luck. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Phoenix Motos.